Welcome to our guide on Autoexec.cfg in Counter-Strike 2. Today, we'll learn how to boost your gameplay experience with command configurations. First, let's find the Counter-Strike 2 configuration folder. On Windows, navigate to c:\program files /steam /steam apps /common Counter-Strike 2 /cs 2 /cfg. If you don't see an autoexec.cfg file, don't worry. Simply right-click in the CFG folder, select New, then Text Document, and name it autoexec.cfg. Now, let's add some essential commands. You might want to include settings like CL_right-hand1, sensitivity 2.5, and bind W plus forward for optimal performance. When saving the file, make sure to select All Files in the Save as Type dropdown and choose UTF-8 encoding to prevent formatting issues. To ensure your autoexec.cfg loads automatically, go to Steam, right-click on Counter-Strike 2, select Properties, and add +exec autoexec.cfg under Launch Options. Time for a test. Launch Counter-Strike 2 and check your console to confirm that your commands are being executed correctly. Use CL_chauffs1 to monitor your FPS. If things aren't working, check for common issues. Ensure the file is named exactly autoexec.cfg. There are no typos in commands, and verify your launch options. For more guidance, check out community forums, video tutorials, and websites offering pre-made autoexec files with optimized settings. In conclusion, using autoexec.cfg can significantly enhance your gameplay experience in Counter-Strike 2, allowing you to tailor commands to your style and preferences. Enjoy the game.